Hi there, guys. This is Q with marijuana.ga. That's HTTP marijuana.ga. Well, this is just in. WikiLeaks has revealed that Clinton has promised bankers to stand against marijuana legalization. Leaks reveal that Clinton promised his bankers to stand against medical marijuana and any and all cannabis bills for the federal government, at least at the federal level. WikiLeaks has arguably been the most important thing that has happened to the elections, if not the veneer of democracy in quite a long time. We've been able to see the true side of politics and the bureaucrats like never before. In Hillary Clinton, we see a figure beholden to Wall Street, working diligently to advance the influence of financial corporations over government policy and taxpayer money. Her mega donor list is a who's who of mega banks that also happens to benefit from the TARP government bailout. In return for their money, Clinton gave speeches to Wall Street giants behind closed doors between 2013 and 2015. She told Goldman Sachs she was, quote unquote, far removed from ordinary people, and that, quote, you need both public and private positions, unquote. Clinton has vacillated terribly on the issue of the Trans-Pacific Partnership, the TPP, which is a gift to her donors, but very unpopular to Americans who see it for the fleecing that it is. She was for the TPP before she was against it, a familiar descriptive. As Bernie Sanders pointed out during the primary, when he was effectively neutralized by the establishment, the only thing we know about Clinton is that she will be on the side of Wall Street. If Clinton supporters believe that she will do anything about government's war on cannabis, they should think again. The good people at marijuana.ga and .com have been studying the leaked emails, and during one of those Wall Street speeches, Clinton expressed a clear opposition to cannabis legalization. She says, during a staged question and answer session with Xerox chairman and CEO in March of 2014, Clinton used Wall Street terminology to express her opposition to ending cannabis prohibition. Quote, unquote, in all senses of the word, Ursula Burns, she asked this question. So long means thumb up, short means thumbs down, or long means I support, short means I don't. I'm going to start with, I'm going to give you about 10 long shorts. Secretary Clinton replies, even if you could make money on a short, you can't answer short. Ursula Burns asked the question. You can answer short, but you have got to be careful about letting anybody else know that. They will bet against you. So legalization of pot, question mark? Secretary Clinton. Short in all senses of the word, unquote. Now, this exchange with Burns is part of an 80-page document containing the emails of John Podesta, her campaign manager. Campaign staffers have been working diligently to try to scrub the embarrassing parts of the speeches, and this was one of them. As Tom Angle reports, the campaign flagged the candidate's opposition to legalization as a potential problem, demonstrates a growing understanding by political operatives that marijuana law reform is now a mainstream issue, one which is supported by a majority of Americans and a supermajority of Democratic primary voters. As with so many other issues, it's hard to tell from Clinton's public statements exactly where she stands. Unlike Sanders, who openly supports legalization and even introduced a bill to end federal prohibition. Since that exchange with Burns in 2014, Clinton has acknowledged the medical value of cannabis and indicated she would let states do their own thing, and even said cannabis should be rescheduled under the Controlled Substance Act. However, she adopts a quote-unquote cover-your-ass approach by saying, quote, I don't think we've done enough research yet, unquote, and I want to wait and see what happens in states with recreational legalization. Well, this is not in line with the truth becoming exponentially obvious, then that denying medical cannabis to suffering patients is a criminal act, and prohibiting a plant that people have used for thousands of years is oppression. Clinton had no problem making it clear to Wall Street corporations that she is against legalization. But why? Perhaps because the pharmaceutical industry is a major part of Wall Street, and they are desperately fighting ballot initiatives to legalize cannabis in several states, as it represents a direct threat to their profits. Well, you know, this is care of the Free Thought Project. I want to give them a hat tip and thanks for that. And just to let you know that, you know, as progressive and as liberal as you might be and might think you are, you know, Hillary Clinton is probably not the one to vote for, in our humble opinion. If you cherish cannabis, marijuana, liberty, freedom, rights, you know, healthcare, access to a plant, you know, I really would. I hope you guys think twice. You know, maybe Trump is not, you know, of your liking or taste, and I'm not suggesting you vote Trump. What I am saying is, do not vote Clinton. You know, it's so sad that she stole, or the DNC with her stole, you know, this election from Bernie Sanders. I wouldn't reward her with your vote. I mean, I'm not saying reward Donald with your vote, but I'm definitely saying with Hillary Clinton, Hillary Rodham Clinton, no. No, it's just another issue that she'll stab us in the back on. Well, again, this has been Q with marijuana.ga. I want to thank you for listening this far. Please like and share. I'm not a professional commentator or broadcaster, so I appreciate you putting up with the quality of my voice and this recording. Again, marijuana.ga.